When you work with big computer data, you run into a bottleneck. Moving the data from storage to processing takes way too long. UCSD's Tayana Shimonich-Rosing calls it a fundamental problem.
When you analyze big data, such as new machine learning models, what ends up happening is you end up spending more than 90% of the time moving data to the computer.
The solution is to make computer chips that process and store data a lot smarter.
The idea of the center is to really create both software and hardware that will make the processing as close to data as possible. So that way it can run a lot faster and we can waste a lot less time.
The center Rosing talks about is called PRISM, the Processing with Intelligent Storage and Memory Center, founded in January and led by UC San Diego. The $50 million operation involves 10 universities. It's mostly funded by the Semiconductor Research Corporation, an industry and academic partnership. Examples of the computer bottleneck include one that's well known to KPBS TV: the large amount of time it takes to send a data-heavy video file to a computer to be processed and mined for video clips. Rosing suggests a future alternative using better computer chips.
What you would ideally like to do is you would like to send a little question. Find me a clip when somebody talks about new computer chip design and send me only that clip.
That request, she added, would go out to wherever the video is stored, the clip would be found and sent, while the huge file could stay where it is. Rosing also says the time it takes to identify effective experimental drug compounds buried in huge stores of data now takes years. She says with better computer chips, it could take days. How long will PRISM take to create a better computer chip?
The goal is to have this figured out by 5 years from now. So hopefully in 5 years, you will see some really exciting demonstrations.
Thomas Fudge, KPBS News.